Creating a graphic organizer in Canva is pretty effortless. Once you're signed in to Canva, you might see it down here, but you might have to search for it and just type in graphic organizer. And when you search for graphic organizer, it will pop up all the templates that Canva has already pre-made. And you can see they look very professional, and you can just use them as is, or you can personalize them by adding your own images, your own font, and changing up the colors to reflect your brand. You can even add the filter. Filter doesn't have to be just on a photo, you know. So I'm going to click this red and change it to my red. So it looks like my brand, and change the green to my green. And maybe I want the font to be a Lexand font for my students who need to be able to see better. Let's use Lexand Mega. That looks pretty cool. And then I would go through and do all that. And of course, with my Bitmoji Chrome extension, I could copy the image and then go into my document and I'm on a PC, do Control V, and there it is. Maybe the opinion essay is going to be about using the internet during remote learning. So we have that to add a little personality onto the outline. So this is great. I can print it. I can post it to Google Classroom, download it, share. How can I share this? I can share it like this with a link for somebody to view it. I can share it with my colleague to edit it by putting in their emails. And of course, if you signed up for the Educator Canva account, you can share the link to use as a template for your students to use, so they get this and can populate it themselves. So that's how easy it is to make a template in Canva. And of course, I almost forgot, world language teacher, you don't have to use the words that they say, right? We can translate this to whatever language we're teaching. It doesn't have to be en anglais. All right. Ciao, ciao.